So let us start. Let us start the lecture again. So we were proving this proposition. We were proving this proposition. So this was the proposition. Proposition. So the set of contracted ideals is equal to those ideals in A such that K extension contraction is K, and the set of extended ideals E is those ideals L in B such that L contraction extension is L. So thus so it means this process of contraction and in, so therefore it says that the process of जैसे आपको k को आपने एक्सटेंशन लिया तो कंट्रैक्शन फिर किया दोबारा तो आपको k मिल गया, इसी तरह आपको आपने L का पहले कंट्रैक्शन लिया एक्सटेंशन लिया तो आपको L दोबारा मिल गया। तो इससे आपको ये पता चला कि ये प्रोसेस है टेकिंग ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन, द प्रोसेस ऑफ टेकिंग एक्सटेंशन एंड कंट्रैक्शन, दे आर इनवर्स प्रोसेसेस ऑफ ईच अदर। सो thus you can say that k goes to k extension, so defines a bijection from C to E, from C to E, whose inverse is L goes to L contraction, whose inverse is L goes to L contraction. Or you can say that the process of taking extension and contraction, or contraction and then extension, they are inverse processes of each other. So first let us see this one. So if you have K a member of C, इसका मतलब K contracted ideal है ना? So then by definition of contracted ideals, K would be L contraction for some ideal L in B. So if I take K extension contraction, that is going to be, because K is L contraction, so L contraction extension contraction. But what we have seen in the previous proposition, it is same as L contraction, and L contraction is K. Okay. So any member of C has this property. So therefore you can say that C is a subset of this set. So thus the set C is a subset of this set K ideal in A such that K extension contraction is K. Now conversely, if if I take a member K in this set, that is if K extension contraction is K, then K would be L contraction where L is K extension. अगर K एक्सटेंशन कंट्रैक्शन K के बराबर होगा तो K आपका L कंट्रैक्ट K आपका होगा L कंट्रैक्शन वेयर L होगा K एक्सटेंशन. तभी तो ये इक्वालिटी पॉसिबल है. ये इक्वालिटी तभी पॉसिबल है कि K आपका L कंट्रैक्शन हो और L आपका K एक्सटेंशन हो, विच इज़ एन आइडियल इन बी. सो ये इक्वालिटी तभी पॉसिबल होगी. तो जब आपका के एल कंट्रैक्शन हो जाएगा, इट मीन्स के इज अ मेंबर ऑफ सी. सो दस के बिलोंग्स टू सी. So hence the set C is same as the above set. Hence C equals K ideal in A such that K extension contraction is K. Now similarly you can prove the other part. Similarly we can prove the other part. Similar observation applies to the set E. Now we are saying that these processes are inverses of each other. This is also obvious from the definition, from this statement itself. But if you want to write, you can just write it. So you can define a map. Define phi from C to E by phi of any k equals K extension, and define psi from the set E to the set C by psi of L equals L contraction. Then you can just see that these mappings are inverses of each other, because if you take psi phi of any k, which is now phi of k is K extension, so psi of K extension. Now psi of any L is L contraction, so this is K extension contraction, but K extension contraction is K because K is a member of C. इसी तरह similarly you have that phi psi of L is L, so therefore these are bijections. So therefore K goes to K extension is a bijection. So thus phi psi are mutually inverse of each other, so they are bijections. So we can say that the extension and contraction are mutual inverse bijections, so they are actually inverse processes of each other. Okay, so I would like to end this topic by giving you these to verify. So first is that the set E is closed under some product sum and product of ideals. सम एंड प्रोडक्ट मतलब क्या हुआ कि आपने दो एलिमेंट लिए इस ई के, मतलब दो आइडियल्स लिए आपने यहाँ पे इस ई के, उनका सम भी ई में बिलोंग करेगा, उनका प्रोडक्ट भी ई में बिलोंग करेगा. This is the meaning of closed under sum and product. And this C is closed under intersection मीन्स सी के दो मेंबर्स का इंटरसेक्शन भी सी में होगा, कॉलन्स अगर सी के दो मेंबर का कॉलन लोगे वो सी में होगा, एंड रेडिकल्स। सो सी के किसी मेंबर का आप रेडिकल लोगे वो भी सी में होगा। सो डू दीज एक्सरसाइजेस, ओके। So now this ends this topic here. So next we will do it maybe in the next class. We will start modules. We will start modules and module homomorphisms from the next class. So up to this, if you have questions, please ask. जो आज हमने किया उस पर कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं तो पूछ लीजिए भाई। Any questions? So CR, you take the attendance and send it to me.
Yes, sir.
हो गया?
Yes, sir.